Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be looking at the all new Fire TV Stick 4K Max. So this is the one with the Wi-Fi 6E. Let's go over the box, then of course I'll unbox it, show you everything that comes inside. I also do have the previous edition of the 4K Max, and I'll talk more about that a little bit later, but I wanted to kind of compare them as well while I'm doing this unboxing. So let's start with the front. Of course you have all the apps that are supported, pretty much supports any streaming app, like for example Netflix, of course Prime Video, YouTube, Disney, Hulu, Apple TV, and HBO Max. This one has 16 gigabytes of storage and 2 gigabytes of RAM, which makes it a very speedy device. On the back of the box we do have a little bit more specs. So this one of course has the 4K Ultra HD resolution. It supports HDR, Dolby Vision Atmos. It does have the quad core CPU, and this is what I was talking about. So this one supports Wi-Fi 6E tri-band. For this to work, of course, you will need a router that supports Wi-Fi 6E. Now let's unbox it and see everything that comes inside. And then let's remove the top, and then we're gonna pull everything out. Let's put the box on the side here. Very nicely packaged. Let's start pulling up stuff. So we have quick start guide. If you do have any issues, I definitely recommend reading this. If you use Fire Sticks before, this is going to be pretty much the same thing, but it does of course has the extra gigabyte of RAM, better CPU, and of course that Wi-Fi 6E support. Now let's see what else we have. And here we go. Right on the right side we have the new Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Very light device. And then here we have the micro USB for power, and of course HDMI. You can end up plugging this into any TV. So even if you don't have 4K TV, you can still end up using this. The only difference is the resolution will go down to, for example, if you have 1080p TV. Now this also works with the computer monitors as well. So if you have HDMI on those, it works great with that. Most times I do end up using my Fire TV Stick with just my computer monitor. But this, of course, will work best with the 4K Ultra HD TV. Now, let's see what else we have. Here we have the cable. So we have USB Type-A to micro USB. Micro USB plugs into this, and USB Type-A will plug into the power plug. And let me see where that power plug is. Let's pull this out first. This would be the HDMI extender. Now this thing comes in so handy. Let me see if I can figure out how to pull this out. There we go. This thing comes in very handy, especially if you have a TV that's on the wall. This can actually twist. So you're gonna plug in this one, which would be a male, into this adapter, and now you can end up plugging this into a TV. So if, for example, your TV is hanging off the wall and the HDMI goes like this, so you can plug this in and this will be hanging down, which is really cool idea. I actually had to use this on more than one occasion. And now let's check what else we have. We have, of course, the remote. Let's go over the remote later. I just want to see what else we have here before I go over the remote. We have the power plug, of course, and then we have two AAA batteries for the remote. Now, finally, let's check the remote itself. I just love Fire TV Stick remotes. Beautiful quality. Now, on the bottom, we do have 4 dedicated buttons. Depending when you end up getting these buttons might change. So for right now, it does have Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, Disney Plus, and Peacock. Again, depending when you end up getting this, these might change, but everything else should remain the same. Now on top, we do have the power button, then we have Alexa button. So of course, this works with the Alexa. And then right under, we do have the selector up, down, right, and left, with the middle for select. We have the back button, home button. This will kind of be like a menu button. backwards, play, pause, fast forward, volume, up and down. Then we have the live TV, and these buttons are used for the live TV to move the channels. Then here we have previous apps. So for example, if you ended up using Netflix, live TV, Amazon Prime, you can click on that and then choose some of the previous apps you ended up using. And then here we have the settings button, mute, and again, I already went over those. And on the back, all you have to do is just kind of push it down. And here is where those two AAA batteries go. So that was the unboxing of the Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Absolutely love design. Remote is really amazing. I've been using Fire Sticks for so many different years, and it's always my go-to streaming device. I would definitely recommend this. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.